Your business is making money, so why are you financially struggling? Why are you financially broke? Hello everyone, welcome to this live session. My name is Monday Arome and I am an experienced internal auditor. Let me start with this live session with a very uncomfortable question this morning, this afternoon, depending on when you are watching me right now. Have you ever looked at your own business and said, this business is making money, so why am I struggling financially? Have you ever? Maybe your business is doing 500,000 naira in sales every month. Maybe it is doing 1 million naira in sales every month. Maybe it's even doing 5 million naira monthly. But when you personally need 100,000 naira, you start struggling, start asking yourself, where is the money? If that sounds familiar, stay with me till the end because I want to show you something many business owners don't even understand. Making money in business is not the same thing as keeping money in business. And that difference can keep you broke, can keep you financially struggling forever. Number one point I want you to look at is sales are not profit. Your sales is not profit. Let me give you a simple example. Supposing your business sells 1 million naira worth of goods this month. You might feel, wow, I made 1 million naira. No, you did not make any 1 million naira. You did not make any 1 million naira or 2 million naira at all. You made 1 million naira in sales. From that 1 million naira, you may still need to remove cost of goods, transportation, staff salary, rent, electricity, taxes, bank charges, damages, wastages, and all kinds of costs that is associated with that particular sales you have made, and every other operating expenses. So the first question should not be, how much did I sell? The question should be, after everything I spent to generate those sales, how much is actually left? How much is actually my profit? That is where business owners need to start thinking like accountants, though you are not an accountant. Profit is not the same as cash. That is the second point. Now, let me take you one step further. You can make a profit and still have no cash. Let me explain. Imagine you sold 1 million naira worth of goods, but your customer have only paid 600,000 naira. The remaining 400,000 naira is still with your customer as pending debt. But on paper, your business may look profitable. However, when you need money to restock, pay your staff, or solve an emergency, the cash is not there. This is why I always tell business owners, don't only monitor your profit, monitor your cash as well. Your profit tells you whether the business is economically working or not, while your cash tells you whether the business is breathed today or not. Number 3 point you must look at is that you are eating your business. Yes, you are eating your business. This is one of the biggest problem I see. The business make money and the owners immediately start spending, start paying school fees, start paying house rent, start buying new food, start buying clothes, start doing all kinds of family expenses. Yes, you begin to buy cars. Yes, you begin to spend for vacational expenses. Then suddenly the business doesn't have enough money to restock the same stock that you have been selling. And the owner will say, business is not moving. Sometimes business is not moving. Yes, I know. But you are the one removing the money faster than the business can replace it. There is nothing wrong with taking money from your business. Yes, I know there is nothing wrong with taking money from your business. But the way you are taking should be monitored and should be in line with the way the revenue or the income or the sales is coming in. You can't spend 1 million naira out of the 500,000 naira profit that you make. It's not possible. Then you see your business going down. But you need to know whether you are taking a salary, whether you are taking owner's withdrawals or business profit. Don't mix everything together. Part 4, you don't know your business number. Let me ask you something. If I wake you up 2 a.m. and ask you what is your monthly business revenue, can you answer? What about your gross profit, your monthly expenses, your outstanding customers debt, your stock value, your business cash balance, your break-even point? If you cannot answer all of these questions, you may not actually be controlling the business. The business is controlling you rather. And this is where proper bookkeeping and internal controls becomes extremely important for your business. You don't need a complicated accounting. You don't need to be an accountant. All of these are basic things that you're supposed to be doing. But you need an accurate record. That is one thing that you need. Yes, you don't need to be an accountant. You don't need a complicated accounting, but you need an accurate record, because what you don't measure, you cannot properly control. Number 5 point is staff can make the business look so busy while money is leaking. This is another issue business owners need to pay attention to. Sometimes the business is busy, customers are coming, goods are leaving the warehouse, money is being collected, but the owner's bank account is not growing. Why? Because money can leak through unrecorded sales, through unauthorized discount, through stock shortage, through fake expenses, through personal withdrawals without proper documentation, through credit sales that are never properly followed up by your staff, and poor cash handling too can contribute a whole lot of things. This is why internal controls are not only for big corporations, are not only for big companies. Even a small business needs basic control. You should know who receives money, who records the money, who approves expenses, who keeps the stock, who reconciles the bank, and who reviews the records as well. Don't allow one person to control everything. Let me ask you one simple question again. If your business stopped operating today for 3 months, will you still have money personally? And if the answer is no, don't feel bad, but understand what that means. It means you have built a business that generates income, but you have not yet built a system that can create financial stability. There is so much difference. What should you do at this point? Here are 5 things that I want you to start doing. Number 1, separate business money from your personal money. Number 2, know your actual profit, not just your sales. Number 3, track your cash flow every week, if possible, every day. Depends on the kind of business you are doing. Number 4, control your stock, control your expenses, and control your receivable. Receivable means those money that they are owing you outside. And number 5, pay yourself deliberately instead of constantly taking money from your business. If the business make 500,000 naira profit, don't automatically assume all the 500,000 naira belongs in your pocket. Some may need to remain in the business for working capital. Some may be reinvested, some may be reserved for emergencies, and some can even be your personal income. Yes, let me know in the comment section. Are you currently running your business with a separate business account or combined together with your own personal account? Because this is very common among small business owners. They don't separate their personal money from their business money. Everything's put together. Let me know in the comment section, yes or no. And don't be ashamed. If your answer is no, this life is not about judging anybody. It's about helping us to become a better financial and business owners. So let me leave you with this. Business can make a lot of money and still leave the owners broke, leave the owners poor. Why? Because the sales are not profit. Profit is not cash. Cash is not automatically wealth. And business revenue is not your personal money. If you want your business to grow, you must stop asking only how much did I make. Start asking from now, how much did I keep? Where did the money go? What is leaking? And most importantly, can I prove where every naira went to? That is where financial discipline begins. Once again, my name is Monday Arome, an experienced internal auditor. And if you enjoy practical conversation about business, money, bookkeeping, internal control, accountability, and financial growth, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if this live session has helped you, don't just watch alone. Leave a comment, like, share it with the business owners, and drop your biggest business money challenge in the comment section. Because sometimes the problem is not that your business is not making money. The problem is that the money is making its way everywhere except your pocket. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.